Hello and welcome back to our channel, From Dust to Shine. In today's video, my husband Noel is going to be unboxing and setting up the Outland Firebowl. We purchased this fire pit so that we can take it camping and still be able to enjoy a fire once the burn bans go into effect. This is a 21-inch fire pit with a black gloss finish. Its gross weight is 29.5 pounds. It has 58,000 BTUs and it was only $89.99 through Costco online. After reading online reviews, it was given a 4.5 star review, so we definitely thought that it was worth it. Since we are not going camping this weekend, we decided to assemble the fire pit on our patio to make sure everything worked, and so that it can be ready for our next camping trip. So finally, Noel has opened the box after struggling with it for a while, and we are ready to see what's inside. So now comes the exciting part. Honestly, getting new things for our RV has been so much fun. Like we mentioned before, we are new to RVing, so all of this is so new and exciting for us. My husband loved how nicely organized everything came in the box. It was very well packaged and taken care of. The fire pit comes with a cover and with a strap so that it is easy to carry or to move it. It also comes with a stand for the propane tank and with 3 bags of rocks, large, a medium, and a spare bag. I love the detail for the vent holes. I just think it's such a thoughtful touch. Here Noel is taking the wrapping off the hose and extending the hose out. He went to get his measuring tape to show you guys that it is 10 feet long. Sorry that I couldn't get it to focus, but trust me, it is 10 feet. Okay, so now we are ready to assemble. The owner's manual recommends to start with the medium rocks and then add in the large. But honestly, they are rocks and they are going to shift. So we think to find a method that works for you. Citrus in our beverages, show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes, round and round the road. One of the differences that Noel noticed in the rocks, besides obviously the size, is the different colors between the medium and the large. So now that he has assembled all the rocks how he wants them, he decided that he wanted to add some from the spare bag just to make the fire pit look a little bit fuller.
Everybody's business. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo.
So here Noel connected the hose to the propane tank and was making sure that the valve was set at off. He also placed the propane on the tank ring to help with stabilizing it.
Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Can play
Here Noel was showing me the knob features and how to set the flame height.
Front porch sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear.
Finally, we are ready to turn the knob and ignite the burner. Our first impression was that it gave quite a bit of heat. It was 58 degrees on this day and it was windy, and like you will see in a minute, it started to rain. So the heat felt very warm. We were very pleased for the few minutes that we got to enjoy it. And here Noel just wanted to show you guys once again how easy it is to start the fire.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care.
After turning the fire pit on, Noel decided to add the rest of the spare rocks. Again, this is his preference. The owner's manual does have a weight recommendation of rocks not exceeding 5.5 pounds. As I mentioned, it started to rain on us and we already had our mindset on sitting around the fire, so we moved under our covered porch and enjoyed the rain. We were hoping that the rain would pass quickly so that we could show you guys what the fire pit looks like at night, so definitely hang tight for a minute and you will see how beautiful the flame looks at night.
Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
Something that we weren't expecting to do in this video was to have to use the cover and straps, but because it was raining, Noah had to move the fire pit and had to use the straps. His honest opinion was that the straps were kind of tight and hard to use, but it could be because they were new and it was his first time using them. This is something that we will definitely have to follow up with. And here is a clip of the rain. I just want to know, who else finds the sound of rain so relaxing? Finally, it stopped raining and it is around 9:30 at night. I love how bright and big the flame was. We absolutely loved it and we can't wait to use it soon when we are out camping. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe.